In this video, we are going to discuss about creating subnets for class B addresses. So, the class B addresses are subnetted in the same way as class C, and also the process is similar to of class C, and here you see the difference is that you have more bits available when compared with class C. So, it starts from /16 to /30. So, the big difference in subnetting is class B address is that you have more bits available, and also you have the host per subnet high. So, you can take an example here very clearly. This is the IP given 172.16.98.45 with the slash notation of 19 as a host address. So, we have to find out the network address and broadcast address. So, how we will perform? So, converting /9 into the decimal format. So, how? 255.255.224.0. So, here this is after converting here, you see this is the interesting octet available. So, what we will do, the interesting octet number 224 will be deducted from 256, it gives you 32. So, it starts from 0, 32, 64 and so on till 224. So, by this you can segregate or you can divide or subnet in the IP address as network address and broadcast address. 0.0 is the network address, 31.255 is the broadcast address. In the same way, how many networks will be available? All the networks are subnetted and the network address and broadcast addresses are given here. So, where the host address lies? The host address lies in between the network address and the broadcast address. Coming to the host addresses of each subnet are, here you can see the network address is 1.0 and the broadcast address is 1.15. So, between 1.0 and 1.15 you have the host addresses of each subnet. So, 1.1 to 1.14 is for the first network 1.0 and 1.17 to 1.30 is for the second network 1.16. So on you can see till 1.240. So, the host address range is 1.241 to 1.254. So, by this way we can segregate or subnet all the addresses of class B similar to class C and class A also, and you have to have the requirement in picture, or you have to consider the requirement of how many networks we have to subnet and how many hosts per network we need to have, and what are the network address, what is the broadcast address, what is the range of host addresses. We have to keep our requirement in mind and we have to subnet all the addresses based on the class. The next example is similar but with /23 in notation. So, /23, so after converting into decimal format gives you 255.255.254.0. So, here the 254 is the interesting octet and it got deducted from 256, so that you get 2. So, it can calculate at 0, 2, 4, 6 and so on till 254. So, the network's address and broadcast address can be classified as 0.0, 2.0, 4.0 and so on till 254.0. The same way the broadcast address will be the last address in the range, so that 172.19.1.255 is the broadcast address. So, the host address ranges from 0.1 to 1.254. So, in the same way you can subnet the IP of class B address and you can give the network address and broadcast address as well as the range of host addresses which needs to be available. And the questions are in your office, you can also subnet the IP addresses based on the networks you are required, based on the host per networks your requirement. So, we have to keep in mind of the requirement will be same for all the addresses, but here the host bits per subnet will be increased based on the classes which are available to us. So, coming to the class A address subnetting, we will be discussing in the next video.